got to know me better using this TikTok filter. I think it was pretty late, around first year college. I was 16. Yeah. Let's roll. I wanna become Jennie of Blackpink. Ayoko na ng inspirational answers. Gusto ko na lang maging Jennie ng Blackpink. How much beer can I drink? 0. Kasi ayoko ng beer. Kunwari, lahat kayo umorder ng beer. O-order din ako ng beer, pero social drinking lang yun. Hindi ko siya uubusin. Magpre-pretend lang ako, magsisip-sip lang ako. No to beer. Bakit naman ganito yung mga tanungan? Baka umiyak ako. Next. I think I'm most afraid of losing the people I love. No, but I love gay people. But not in the gay way. Ang tagal mag-roll. My favorite food, and everybody has gotten over this trend. Parang ako parang yung hindi nakaka-move on, but I still love baked sushi. As in, I can have it every day.